On the floor plan pages, you have the ability for device symbols to show more than just manufacturer and other data. You can also show distances and direction angles to other points on the drawing, as well as coverage areas and angles for access points, security cameras, and projector lenses and motion sensors or anything else. Let's take a look. Let's drop a video projector and an access point on the page. Using the Shape Data window or device form, we can set and show circular or angular coverage patterns with either a simple outline or a colored-filled pattern, as well as setting the radius, area, or angle for the coverage pattern. And for the access point, we can do the same sort of thing. Now let's look at how to create your own floor plan symbols with any icon image you can come up with. Here's an example. I've created an icon, a simple group of shapes that looks like a loudspeaker. And I filled it in with some colors, and I don't care about its size. Now take any of the system category symbols. I'll take a loudspeaker from the audio category, and then click on it, and then click on any custom image while holding the Shift key, then right-click the group and select Load Icon at the very bottom of the right-click menu. And now you have a new symbol with a custom icon. You also have the ability to change the look of your symbols with the device status settings. And you can also change the outline of the symbol.